The last feature we'll look at in this video is the AI Assistant Summary tool. Unlike the quiz and question features, which are designed to evaluate learning, the summary feature is designed to reinforce it. Instead of testing the learner, it reviews the content you've already built and distills it into a concise overview of the key ideas. Just like the other AI assistant tools, you can access Summary either through the chat in the Trigger panel or by selecting the Summary icon in the AI Assistant section of the Home or Insert tab. Regardless of how you start, the AI Assistant scans the slides and text already in your lesson to generate the summary. This makes the Summary tool especially useful for end-of-topic recap slides, section transitions, or final review slides where you want to reinforce what was covered without introducing new information. It's not meant to replace your learning objectives or assessments. It's meant to help learners pause, reflect, and mentally organize what they've just learned. Once the summary is generated, it's inserted as the next slide in your lesson using your existing Slide Master layout. From there, you can edit, shorten, reword, or restructure the text just like any other slide content. As always, the AI assistant is doing the heavy lifting, not the thinking. You still need to review the summary to make sure it aligns with your objectives, uses the right terminology, and emphasizes what you want learners to remember. Think of the summary feature as your wrap-it-up tool, a fast way to reinforce learning without turning every checkpoint into a quiz.